I picked this one. It gets really soft in the middle of it, like a lot of stones will. Like that right there isn't gonna do very well. Just because it's so soft, but I might be able to still get a big enough one out of it. So I picked that one. Another one from the same rock, a little bit bigger. This one's really good. It's got eyes all over it. I really like it. It's soft over here, I can tell, but I like where it goes into the black. That's nice. This one's got some fairly good eyes on it. So I just picked a random selection of different ones. That one's got some browns in it. So I'll start with this one. Alright, so I have my drip feed, ProPress, quarter oil, heat, touch. Alright, that was that's not too bad. Oh yeah, well, happy with that. I'm just gonna cut a couple more. Little moon shape. That's my leftovers. I usually cut these up a bit and tumble them and make neat stuff out of them just for the heck of it. It's all kind of for the heck of it. Wasn't paying attention on that. Got a little notch from the last one, but it's fine. Wrong size chuck. Piece of pain. The reason that I do these feeds is just so that people aren't intimidated and trying to do it themselves. It's just rocks. It's fun. Next slab I'm cutting, I'm going to try and miss that. That's really soft.